connais wap crier, baby, mais fort. Haïti, moi, poilé. Miami, wap krité. Pas ouais qui j'en comment. L'amour, ça poil dire. Vous voulez pour me continuer. Écris chaque fois.
E6 from Kia.
This is a Mustang Mach-E for Kia.
No.
That's what it said. The source says it.
EV6.
Yes, but I'm saying that it's a competitor to Mustang Mach-E.
Yeah, yep. Have you been in the Mach-E?
I've sat in one, but I never rode it.
Gotcha. Hey, so, have you ridden in any of the other EVs?
I ridden into Ioniq 5, F150. No, actually, let's talk about this after the launch.
Alright.
The area is more innocent than this one. Yeah, so like I'm saying, so I rode in the F1. So I rode in I rode in the Volkswagen ID4 in 2021, and also a 2014 Tesla Model S from a friend. And then now this year, since Easter Day at this auto show, I rode a F150 Lightning. I rode an Ioniq 5. I rode a BZ4X. Yep, and then I just rode an area in a Nissan area, you know, up to 10 minutes ago, or I don't know, 15 minutes ago, and now this is my latest. So it's now so far like 6 to 7.
Right. So, what's your favorite EV so far?
Tesla.
Tesla. Okay. What Tesla?
Model X is my dream car.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. That comes to the end of our journey. Alright, you have a great rest of your auto show.
Thank you. This is my final, and that's it.
Thank you, sir. You're going back to this way.
Willy long, Willy long, baby Willy long. T'es sur long distance, l'en pas cap marcher. Willy long, baby Willy long. Koto tande l'amour jambe de l'eau, baby pas noyé. T'es sur long distance, l'en pas cap marcher. Willy long.